Hey guys, shh. It's like 10 p.m. at night. So, I just couldn't resist. And I got my Boxy charm. So I wanted to show you what I got in my box and invite you for a little nightcap. I guess this is like a nightcap. So it's called Vacation. It's kind of cheesy, to tell you the truth. And then I have a 25% off Butter London. And I'm going to tell you, I already opened the box before I started recording, and OMG, it's insane. My favorite mascara is in here, and I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. So anyway, I'm going to tell you what I got. I know that this box, from like the sneak peeks and everything, have been pretty awesome, but one of my favorite mascaras is this Butter London double decker. Oh my gosh, I think I featured this mascara in one of my videos. I don't remember which one, but I love this mascara. It gives me amazing lashes. It's like almost I've got falsies when I wear this mascara. Volume, plumpy, love it. This mascara is $20 just because I know, because I buy it a lot. And one of the reasons I know is because when it goes on sale at Ulta, they sell it for $10. So whenever that happens, I like buy as many as I can. So right now I have like 3 or 4 of these as backups. I know, it's awful, but just wanted to let you know. And then another item that I got was this Make Them Blush. Blush, Hush Blush. Let's open this guy up. See if I can. Yes, one-handed opening. And this is what it looks like. Let's give you some more light. It's a very pretty blush. This is how it swatches. It's matte, and I'm excited to try it. I really like Pretty Vulgar products, especially their lip glosses. Let's see what else I got. Oh, this looks really awesome, guys. All right. Oh, nice. I got these blushes. These brushes by the Vintage Cosmetic. I love getting brushes in boxes. It's just like one of my favorite things, except for the crown. I don't like crown brushes. They're just so ineffective. I know, I'm trying to open this. I'm gonna put this right here. Hopefully it won't give me trouble. There. So I'm gonna open this guy. So I don't have a, why can't I open it? Oh, because it's got a plastic. Duh. So I'm not making an official, this is like as real as it gets. I am literally in my bed getting ready to go to bed, and I actually opened this box in the mail today, and I'm like, I feel like I only do Boxy charm unboxings all the time in my channel, but I just can't resist, you know, and I owe you a get ready with me in my car. Wow, these brushes are nice. I'm so excited to try these out. This is a little nice smudger brush, a nice lid brush, and apparently it's a step system. You have step 1, which is this one right here, the glitter smudger brush, and then step 2 is this one for the crease, and then step 3 is this one, which is for go girl go girl, go girl go. Honestly, I don't really care about the steps. I just know that I like brushes, and these are really cool. Okay, putting that away. And I got this really cool eye gel packs, which is excellent because I'm getting ready for bed. And I'm going to try them on right now. This is thoroughly cleanse the eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes. Reduces puffiness, dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So I guess it's a treatment kind of. So I literally have 3 patches in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm not going to wait. I already washed my face. Look at these circles. I mean, I need sleep. Let me tell you. I don't know how to open it. I'm so scared. All right, here we go. I love mask stuff. Alright, I'm gonna open it like this. There's one missing. Alright. Well, they're interesting. Relief. Is it like this? Did I get it on right or wrong? I don't know. But that's how I'm gonna put it. And then I know there's another one in here. Just gotta pull it out. It got stuck. So I'm gonna toss this little thing away. I'm gonna put this one on. You guys don't know how good this feels. Oh, so nice. Alright, I know I'm talking quietly. It's because it's night. It's night. Okay, so this flashlight. Oops. So this is what I've been anticipating, and what I've seen in every BoxyCharm. It's Pure by BoxyCharm, and let's check out these colors. If only. Oh, geez, they've really protected these things. There's like little tape thingies on everything. Here we go. Is there another one? There is. This is crazy. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. And these are the colors. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Look at that. Okay, so I think I'm going to use them tomorrow. And this is a quick little video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very good night. And I know my hair looks like